You guys, so sorry, just turned over. But the dog has went away, and I don't know what happened to him. This is a better way, and I'm just going to do some football tricks for you guys. Wait, so let's pick up the ball. You ready? This is going to be sore. Goal! What's he got to do? Can you guys kick it? Can you guys kick it? There we go. You guys kicked it. Yo, guys, I'm actually the fastest footballer in the world. Do you know? No, I'm just joking. I'm good at football. Like, here, I'm so bad at doing that. Ready? Can you guys kick it again? Like a magic beauty. No, I'm just joking. I'm going to see if I can do a magic trick. Let's see if I can find a card. Guys, this is... Oh, dollars. Dollar. I'm finally going back to my new country. Like my actual country, but... my friends don't know that I live there. But I actually live in the UK. UK now. Yeah, how could this happen to me? Let's see if I can find a card, man. Maybe I could try with the dollars. Oh yeah, my grandpa threw them right. That's a dog, that's a dog, that's a dog. That's Cooper. Yes, the dog's in now. Oh, finally. Right, let's see. Let's see if I can set you guys there. Kinda. There we go. One sec. Right, let's get one. Ready? Wait, let's see if I can do it again. Ready? Oh, I'm trying to really try. Whoa! Oh no, the dollars are going to get broken and then we can't get anything. That's $500. Look at that cute doggy. Look at this. Who ran away, Kipper? Kipper. Who ran away? Who ran away? Kipper. Oh God, I'm so sorry. By the way, this is my third vlog, and please make sure to subscribe, turn notifications on, and obviously comment once you're done. That's a weird voice. And yo, what's up? I'm gonna see if I can do a transformation. I can. How about this? Sorry if it's bad footage, it's just because I've got... How about that?